Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Make.com using OAuth connections step by step clearly. To authenticate with Make.com using OAuth connections, start by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the Connections tab from the sidebar menu. Click on the Create a Connection button. From the list of available services, choose the desired application for OAuth connection. You will be prompted to enter a name for your connection. Fill in the connection name field with a descriptive title. Next, click on the Connect button to initiate the OAuth process. You will be redirected to the service's OAuth authorization page. Log into the third-party service using your credentials. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions to Make.com. You may need to approve the requested access scopes. After granting permissions, the service will redirect you back to Make.com. Make sure to check if the connection is established successfully. Look for a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. You can now use this connection in your Make.com scenarios. To ensure everything is working, create a new scenario. Add a module that utilizes the OAuth connection you just set up. Test the scenario to verify that the connection is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, review the OAuth settings and permissions. Once everything is confirmed to be working, you can use the connection in your automations. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with Make.com using OAuth connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.